Good Friday morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my beard looking crazy. Wow, hopefully that thing will calm down later. This shit looks crazy. Did I not look in the mirror before I left the house? What happened? Anyway. Hair looks good. Beard looks chaotic. It's Friday. It is, let me calm down, the last day at my current job. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Like, yeah. It's kind of gloomy out, but it's warm. But it's supposed to cool off, which sucks. But, as you can see, I have a backpack for two reasons. One, I gotta pack up my office today, or my cube rather. I don't have an office. I wonder if I'll get an office at the new place. We'll see. But two, got my jacket, and Paul got me, I don't know if I mentioned this before, not only did he give me these J's for Valentine's Day, but he got me a couple games for the Switch. And I figured I'm not going to be doing anything today. I mean, they literally said don't give Russell any more tickets. So, why not bring my Switch? Now that I have a way of making it portable. Because not only did my man buy me two more games, he bought me a carrying case. So, yeah. My Switch is no longer a home console. It's also portable now, which is the whole point of the Switch. But it takes me forever to buy stuff sometimes. I don't know. But it's Friday, folks. It is let's have the beard look crazy day. Oh my god, I can't get over it. Like, beard looks crazy. And that just made it worse. Okay. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing when I get to work. Making this shit look better. Because this looks cuckoo. Yeah. So. And it's also a long weekend. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Weekend. And then work at a new place on Tuesday. This is also the official opening of the 2018. Yeah, 2018. Let me get the year correct. Start to NASCAR today, or Sunday is the Daytona 500. You have the Camping World Truck Series tonight and the Xfinity Series tomorrow. And there it is again. Pointless. Anyway. It's too humid out here. That's the problem. Anyway, guys. And girl, and whoever else is watching this. For all the days that are watching this. My last day at my current job. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me over the wind. Just did happy hour. It's real now. Like, it's absolutely real. It's crazy. Like, it's why is all these lights red? Okay. This is weird. Okay, well, I'm going. Yeah, I cannot. Yeah, it's real. Oh man. So, headed home. Paul's at home. We're gonna get some food. I want some more to drink. Tonight is a good night. I'm gonna celebrate. Yeah. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my god, it's windy. It is really windy out here. Jeez. Sick. Wind is so serious. Glad to move on, say goodbye. But good things are ahead. I'm moving up tremendously in my career. Paul got a promotion. We're both about to make a lot more money. And this happy hour just really showed me, like, okay, you're gonna be missed. And what's nice about it too is that the whole point of, well, I shouldn't say the whole point, one of the points of my position is to help build up the IT department, help build up the IT team. I know I know who I'm going to take with me. I know exactly who I'm going to take with me. I've got a team that I can reach out to be like, listen, you want a job? Let's do it. Even going back to like BET, not going to mention names here. I don't want to put things out to the universe. But just going back to even BET, there's one particular person in mind that I still have their contact information. I would offer him a job very quickly. This opportunity is incredible. And I'm not a religious man. I've said that time and time again. I am not a religious man. But I definitely feel like there are certain things you just put out there into the universe. And with a little time and a little patience and a little fucking just putting up with some shit, things will happen. And I honestly believe this job was meant to happen. Paul was meant to happen. I mean, I'm happy. Granted, money's not great right now. But here's this new job. Money's about to be fucking phenomenal, you know? Like, and then Paul's getting his promotion. That's going to be even more money. So yeah, like, I think the stress of a lot of things are about to really come down a lot. Let me get off of here. Let me call Paul. See if he wants me to pick up anything on the way home. I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so made it to Rhode Island. And luckily, as soon as I was getting to the juice stores, our metro train was coming. So yeah, gonna head to the liquor store and head home. Like I said, I want to celebrate that. Unfortunately, the drinks that we had at the bar, they were happy hour drinks, so they were clearly pouring, let's say, very lightly. luckily I didn't have to pay for nothing. Didn't pay for drinks, didn't pay for food, didn't pay for lunch today. That's how you say goodbye. So as I usually do, alright, I think I touched my backpack. It's not like someone's walking right behind me. So as I usually do, I like to talk about certain things that I find out when it comes to products, gaming in general. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Apparently there is an amazing, and I'll again, link in the description below. For those of you who still have an OG Xbox and want to hook it up to a modern day TV without using component. Damn, I always get component and composite confused. I want to say it's component cables. Yeah, because composite is strictly the yellow. So component cables, who don't want to use component, who want to hook it up to HDMI, there's a cable that came out. And it's nice. It's $25, so it's a little pricey for an HDMI cable. But essentially what it's doing is it's converting the component signal coming out of the OG Xbox and turning it into an HDMI signal. Now what's nice about this as well is that a lot of people didn't realize that the OG Xbox, there were a lot of games out there that did 720p and some actually did 1080i. So this will allow you to not only experience that, but experience it on a modern day television. Because a lot of modern day televisions don't have anything but HDMI input. I'll post the review in the description below. It looks amazing. It's unfortunate though. One of the games that comes to mind that can actually take advantage of this was one of Atari's worst game called Enter the Matrix. Such a terrible game. The frame rate suffered so much. But it did 1080i on the OG Xbox. Alright guys, just left the liquor store. I know this vlog has been random and long tonight, but they're giving away samples of this alcohol at the liquor store called Dr. Stoner's. They have a vodka and a whiskey. And straight up, this alcohol tastes like weed. Like, I can still taste it. It literally tastes like, not necessarily smoke weed, but like an edible. It's strange. I don't see a market for this. Like, why would you want your alcohol to taste like weed? Who wants this taste? What the fuck would you mix it with? Why would you want this? Oh, I don't know. It's weird and I want to get rid of the taste now. Ugh. But yeah, Dr. Stoner's. If you're looking for alcohol that tastes like weed, apparently.